We've learned lots of vocabulary related to tourism, shopping, and price. Now, let's look at some of the grammar we'll encounter as we put this vocabulary to use. 先在 first, and then. This pattern indicates the order of two events, whether in the past or future. Please be aware that both 先 and 在 are adverbs, and here they function as such. Lastly, keep in mind that in Chinese, adverbs are always placed before the verb. 你先吃，再付钱。You eat first, then pay the bill. 他们想先买东西，再去吃饭。They want to buy something first, and then have a meal. 这次旅行，我要先去美国，再去加拿大。On this trip, I'm going to America first, and then Canada. Verb plus 不起 or verb plus 的起 can't afford or can afford. The post-verbal 不起的起 indicates can't or can afford something, afford to do something. 起 means to rise, to raise, or to get up. This is relevant here, as when set together with the verb, we can think of it as one being able or unable to rise to the occasion, or rise to completing the verb. Later in this lesson, we're going to see the very common usage of this structure together with the verb 买 as 我买不起 means because I don't have enough money, I can't afford, or I can't buy it. 这碗牛肉面要500块，我吃不起。This bowl of beef noodles is 500 RMB. I can't afford it because I don't have enough money. I'm unable to eat this bowl of beef noodles. 这个饭店住一个晚上200美金，我住不起。This hotel is 200 per night. I can't afford it because I don't have enough money. I'm unable to stay at this hotel. 这只手表不贵，他买得起。This watch is not expensive, so he can afford it. Because this watch is not expensive, he's able to buy it. 虽然，但是，可是。Even though, although, but. These two conjunctions always appear as a pair in Chinese sentences, while in English, for example, pairing is not allowed. In English, we would say, even though I really like sweets, I won't eat desserts tonight. Not even though I really like sweets, but I won't eat dessert tonight. 虽然很累，但是我也要去机场接你。Even though I'm tired, I'm still going to pick you up at the airport. 虽然他是美国人，但是他的中文很好。Even though he's American, his Chinese is very good. 虽然现在是冬天，可是一点都不冷。 It's winter now, but it's not cold at all. 如果就 if then. In this pattern, 如果 presents the condition, and 就 in the second clause presents the consequence. 如果 is a conjunction, which can be placed before or after the subject of the first clause. In the second clause, 就 is an adverb, which is always placed after a subject, if any. 如果你周末有空，就跟他们一起去玩吧。If you have time on the weekend, then go play with them. 如果有钱，我们就可以去很多地方旅行。If we had money, then we could travel to a lot of places. 如果学校离这里不远，你就走路去吧。If school is not far from here, then just go on foot. Relative clauses. A relative clause is a sentence that modifies a noun. In Chinese, the modifying element always precedes the modified element. The same pattern can be found in Japanese and Korean. However, in English, Thai, and Vietnamese, it's the reverse. For example, the relative clause appears after modified noun. The modification marker, the, comes between the relative clause and the noun modified. 你看到你想买的东西了吗？ Did you see what you wanted to buy? Anything you wanted to buy. 他喝的茶是乌龙茶。The tea he's drinking is oolong. 现在去那里的人比较少。Fewer people go there now.